Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt thick. To achieve that wonderfully creamy texture, begin with whole milk. Heating the milk to 180 degrees Fahrenheit is crucial. This denatures the proteins, allowing them to form a stronger network. After heating, let it cool down to around 110 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is ideal for introducing your yogurt culture, ensuring the bacteria thrive and thicken your yogurt effectively. Once your yogurt has set, straining is the key to achieving an even thicker consistency. Line a colander with several layers of cheesecloth and place it over a bowl. Gently pour your finished yogurt into the lined colander. Refrigerate this setup for 2 to 4 hours. As the whey drains away, your yogurt will become wonderfully dense and rich, similar to Greek yogurt. Beyond straining, you can also incorporate natural thickeners directly into your milk before fermentation. Adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of dry milk powder per quart of milk significantly boosts protein content, leading to a thicker result. For a firmer, almost jiggly texture, a small amount of dissolved gelatin works wonders. Alternatively, a cornstarch slurry can be whisked in, providing excellent stability and body to your homemade yogurt. For consistently thick yogurt, always ensure your starter culture is fresh and active. Old cultures can lead to thin results. Maintaining a consistent incubation temperature, ideally between 110 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit, for 6 to 8 hours is also vital for bacterial activity. If you're looking to keep your kitchen spotless while enjoying your delicious yogurt, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's a game changer for pet owners and busy households. You can find a link to this amazing robot vacuum, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.